What's up, everybody? DJ Prophet from TWK Events, and today I'm coming live from the Liberty House for L'Oreal's holiday party. Secondly, if you or somebody you know is getting married or having an event that needs a little extra flavor, maybe a bilingual DJ or an MC, a percussionist, a violinist, TWK Events, photo, video, DJ services, photo booths, all under one flag, and we have been doing that since 1998. Hopefully, we'll get to see some of you in 2022. Thank you so much for following us, for your support, and more importantly, me and my family appreciate your business.
If you're looking for a location to have your event, and if great food, atmosphere, service, and not to mention an awesome view is important, we strongly recommend Liberty House.